What's up guys, today we're going to be having a look at how to create this zoom effect and a few different ways you can do it. The first way to add this zoom transition is to use one of my favorite plugins, Smooth Transition Layers. So if we go over here to the Titles tab and then go down to the Smooth Transition Layers, I'll leave the link to this plugin in the description. The zoom transition is free. So if we go to zoom in 1 and drag that over the video clip, the first video clip, and then drag the zoom in 2 over the second video clip and play that back, it gives us this quick zoom transition. And if you wanted to slow the transition down, you just need to extend these titles. To smooth out the transition even more, we can drop in some motion blur over the middle of the transition. I'll leave a link to this motion blur plugin in the description. It's another title plugin that you can download for free, and just add that over the transition and you'll see how it gives this nice natural motion blur. If we select the preset and go up to the parameters here underneath T, we can change how much this zooms in by, and also on the zoom out, we can change the zoom out on this as well. So now if I play that back, because I've extended them, we get a slower, smoother zoom. And then I can just select them, press Command C to copy and paste them across, select them all and just move them over to the next video clip, or even just hold down Option, click and drag and move them over to that final clip. So now we have 3 zoom transitions in a row. The second way I like to add this zoom effect is to shoot the video in a specific way. So for example, on this video clip, I set my gimbal to lock mode and walked in a straight line through the house. I also did this on another shot so that we can link them together and create a zoom transition. So for this zoom effect, we're going to have to speed up the video. So for example, on this first shot, go to the point where I want the video to start zooming in and then hold down Shift and press B. This will create this little speed ramp here. And on the second half of the video clip, I can click this drop down menu and go to fast times 20. And then drag this slider out to the end of the video clip. And we can also click on the end of this to speed it up more if we want, or to slow it down, depending on how fast you want the zoom transition to happen. So now I can bring in my second video clip. And on this one, we need to speed up the beginning of the video clip. So go to the point where you want the video clip to go back to normal speed and hold down Shift and press B to create another speed ramp. And then click the drop down menu, go to fast times 20 and bring this next to the first video clip. Once you're happy with how the transition looks, then we can drag in some motion blur over the top of where this video clip is sped up. And if I play that back, now we have created a zoom effect completely from camera movement instead of using a preset. It's a lot more editing work, but I think it's a really impressive effect if you can pull it off. The third and final zoom effect I'm going to save for another video because it's a lot more complex. So subscribe if you want to see that in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.